Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade using MatchTrader. But before anything else, please keep in mind, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your account and then on the homepage, here you'll see this big chart right away. Now to start trading, you want to take a look at the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see all of the assets available. So you can choose assets here to trade. We have your Forex, stocks, what have you. So just choose any. You can even add them to your favorites so that they'll appear right over here. And to actually start trading, all you need to do is just choose an asset. And then from here, you can already buy or sell. And once you do that, it'll be under this pending orders right over here in this tab below. And once done, once it's all confirmed, it's going to be transferred right over here to open positions. Now, under the assets here, you'll see other options such as news, calendar, market to make sure that you are up to date. Now, going back to the chart, you can actually change this anytime you want by clicking any asset right over here, just like so. You can even adjust the time frame of your chart by scrolling right over here. Now you can also add indicators to help with technical analysis. At the top right over here, we have different tools. And finally, from here, once you're ready, just go ahead and buy or sell anything from your asset or from any of your open positions. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to trade using MatchTrader in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.